Good morning. Out here doing my morning walk, and I really started to think about motherhood. I'm a mom of two. My 15-year-old started school yesterday, 10th grade, and my oldest, 18 years old, just turned 18, started college, moved into college. And I can't believe we're even here. Like, where did time go? Time has flown. And I'm just thinking back to when they were little, and I used to pray about being able to work from home. And then right before COVID, and then COVID happened, I was started to work from home. Then I was hybrid, and now, of course, I have the option. Because I own my own business, I work from home a lot, as well as then I go into my clients' homes, or I do shopping in person. So I'm in the malls and out in the field. But for the majority of the time, I'm home. And I pray for this, and I just thank God for that. But I'm just thinking back to when my babies were little. And how, as being a mother, when my neighbors started talking to me. But just think about when they were little, I didn't have the pleasure of being able to work from home. That's what I prayed for. That's what I was able to do later on in life as they became teenagers. But when they were little, I used to drive an hour to an hour back home for about 4 years. And then before that, I would be in traffic when I first moved to Charlotte. Bad traffic, picking them up from daycare. It would just be a lot of trying to get to work and picking them up from home. I was just tired, very much trying to get to work on time. And I was just happy to be able to take a shower and put on clean clothes. So just think about, sorry, I'm out of breath, y'all, walking up a hill. Think about what to wear for my ladies. Like, when you're a mom with little kids, you want to look good. You want to look not all homey and just, of course you're a mom. Sometimes you want to be concerned, but you still want to look good. We still want to look amazing. Still want to feel amazing. Still want to feel like I'm that girl. But as we all know, sometimes it's just a lot. The hustle bus, especially if you're a single mom, or if your significant other leaves before you, or is not as helpful, with the kids, whatever your situation may be. Or they may just be very busy working or working out of town. It's just a lot on mothers, period. Even if your husband is there, we know moms, we do a lot. So just thinking about my moms and about putting looks together so it can just easily be grab and go, That's why I talk a lot about being able to plan your looks. That's when it goes with personal styling. Planning your looks, having your looks in your closet, having your body type, which I offer a free body type style guide. And I'll link that in the description. Just so you'll be able to grab and go and know you don't look frumpy. Know this looks good together. Know you already have looks in the closet. And yes, I know you're already tired. You're just, girl, I just want to grab stuff. But this may be something that you have to go and when your kids are asleep, when they're down for naps, when everybody's gone to sleep, and now you're putting your looks together in the closet. So for the week, you're planning out your looks for the week. You already know I'm going to wear this skirt and this top. I already know I'm going to wear these bottoms. And let's talk about shoes. Because if you're working in the office, if you're working, or you have meetings and you want to look nice, you want to look put together, if you want to look like that boss chicken, you want to have heels on. As moms, bring your flats. If you have to go pick your kids up or run to the grocery stores after, make sure you always have some flats in the car. I would always make sure I have some flats to go with my look. If I had some heels on, I still do to this day. Because as a mom, okay, I want to look business here, but then I got these kids to run around to. Or if you're just like, girl, I can't do heels right now, make sure you have a cute elevated flat, which means a flat that doesn't look cheap, a flat that still makes you look well put together. And I plan on putting some looks together for moms, putting some looks together for you all. I may even put together a package, but it's really been on my mind about moms lately because I'm a mom and I know how it is having little kids. Lately I've had clients who have had children, who've recently had children. So they are trying to lose the mommy weight. You get stuck in mommy mode even I was stuck in mommy mode for years. And mommy mode, as we know, is just like, I'm all about mom life. I'm all about my kids. You may be stuck in yoga pants and a t-shirt. Like I said, you might be happy just to get in the shower. You are really not being able to show your whole full personal style and look amazing as you would love to be, because you're really concerned about your kids. Your kids probably look great. Your kids' outfits are well put together. They look so cute. You're like, oh, your kids look so cute. You're like, yeah, and I look like whatever, but at least my babies look good. At least my babies are fat. Yes, that's amazing. That means you're a great mother. Awesome. But we also got to make sure you look amazing. Also make sure that you feel your best, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of everybody else. Your husband, your children, whoever else you're taking care of, because we are nurturers by heart, but we also got to make sure we take care of self. That's all I wanted to say today. I was just thinking about the moms. I think I'm going to do some more segments on it, because it's really been touching me lately. It's really been thinking back, as I've been reflecting back on my kids when they were little, and I was looking at the pictures, I'm like, oh, they look so cute. Oh my God, their outfits are so cute. My kids still cute. But you know, when they're little, it's just like, oh my God, so cute. But then I look back at some of my pictures, I'm like, ooh, child. Ooh. So I've really been just really feeling that lately, and I really just want to talk to my ladies, talk to my moms. I know there's some dads out there too, some single dads and dads who do a lot, and you know, they get the dad bod, but I just really want to focus on my ladies. And then if you can take some of these gems that I plan on dropping as well. But just stay tuned, because I really feel like I want to put some YouTube, some segments together, so I can really talk to my ladies and really help us out, give us some tips, maybe give us some clickable links and some ideas of how we can really like quickly style some looks and still be appropriate as a mom, but easy put together, and so we can feel amazing, just feel confident about ourselves. That's what it's all about. All right, see y'all later.